Hi everyone, and if you're curious what I have on my screen right now, if you are not familiar with this little cheeky monkey on the left side of my screen, so just to let you know, I have my Mailchimp dashboard, and today I am going to show you how to create email automations. By the way, I'm Nika and I am your techie VA and I specialize in email marketing. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead because I like to keep my videos short and sweet. So first is, since I have the Mailchimp dashboard in front, I am going to click this button here, create a campaign, and you will see this pop up and we're just gonna select create an email. And on the next page, what you want to do is select automated. So we will do an email sequence that is automated based on certain triggers or activities the subscriber does. So here are some popular options for email automation. And I like this option, and this is getting a lot of buzz as well because if you have a shop or you're selling something in the internet, maybe show up and close your sales. So we have options to thank first-time customers, follow up on customers who didn't finish their purchases, and there's a lot. Just browse through it. But for today, I am just going to do a simple automation just so that I can show you how automation works. But if you have a creative and crazy mind, you can do almost anything with email sequence and build a good relationship with your subscribers. So we're just gonna name. So I have this. I'm just gonna start a welcome new subscribers email sequence. Sorry, and we'll just say test welcome email. And here, just select a group where you want to send the emails or where you want this email automation to apply to, and click begin. Once you click that, you will be taken to this dashboard or this screen where one email is pre-populated for you. And what you can see here, or the important thing here, is the trigger. So the trigger is the activity that causes the email or your email to be sent automatically. So since this is a welcome email, obviously this email will be sent once the subscribers joins your list. Usually subscribers join a list when they complete an opt-in form or click something on the landing page. So we're just gonna design the email. So after you create the trigger, welcome, okay, sir, welcome email. Just gonna, sorry, go through. There we go. I'm just gonna go through this quickly because I'm not gonna go through the nitty-gritty of email subjects, preview text, because I just really want to show you how the automation works. So let's say welcome. I'm just gonna select a general welcome template. And once that loads, please excuse my cat. So there we have it. And after or for welcome emails, if you're unfamiliar with that, um, it's best to send welcome emails for your new subscribers, and it's best to do it in 3 to 5 email sequence. So in this way, you can introduce yourself and warm up your people or warm up your subscribers to your offers, products, or just your business in general. So let's say you want to add, or we are going to add another email, and we are going to change the trigger. So in this way, I can show you the different ways or different triggers you can use. So click the edit trigger in the previous screen and then click this change trigger. And so this is a welcome email. There are a lot of these are the usual options that you can choose from. So there's email, campaign activity, list management as well, and integrations. But we're just gonna concentrate. This is, as I've said, this is a easy automation flow. And I'm gonna click, or I'm gonna choose previous email was open. So, so the delay is the time frame when you want next email to be sent. So let's say um, our previous email was open, and after 3 days, this email will be sent. Okay, and we'll design the email and introduce me. And we'll click next. And we are just going to select a template, any template. I'm just gonna go with that. Hey. And once this loads, you can just click save and continue. There we go. So right now we already have 2 emails for the automation, and as I've said, it's best to create maybe 3 to 5 emails for your welcome series or your email sequence. For welcome, so I'm just gonna do the third one just to complete the series, and just gonna edit the trigger so you can see the other triggers available. So let's see, previous email is not opened. So sometimes do you find like emails on your inbox saying, hey, okay, here, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. Hey, you missed my previous email. So you can do that with email automation and just select that trigger. So sometimes people forget to email you, or sorry, people forget to read your email. So if in case they forget to read your email, what you can do is send them another email to remind them that you messaged or you sent them something in the mail. So let's say um oops oops, sorry, I edited the different one. Anyway, so I'm gonna this one. I'm gonna click after 7 days when your first email wasn't read. This email will be sent out to your customers. So this is how email automation works. So there are a set of triggers, and based on the triggers or based on the activities made by your customers or your subscribers, another email will be sent to them. So there are, well, you can basically go on, can create maybe a 5, 10, whatever, how many email sequences there is, or emails in one sequence, and it's basically up to you and up to your goal. But as long as you can think about it and you have content and you have information to put on the emails, then you can just go ahead and keep building your email automations. So I hope this short video helps you with email automations. And if you have questions, or if you want to make something more complex, or if you want to do an email sequence for your shop, just give me a message through YouTube or through my website or through my Facebook page, and I'll be glad to help you out. So for today, this is my video, and see you guys again for my next techie tutorial. Bye for now.